I don't know why I thought puppy yoga might be overrated. It's not. We went to Puppies and Yoga today in Boston at their South Station location. It was honestly so much better than I expected. They had mini Aussie puppies this time and they were ridiculously cute. The class starts with a 45-minute yoga session, and yes, you're actually doing yoga, but the best part is that the puppies wander around and join you. It's the kind of distraction you want because it makes the whole thing more fun and joyful. After the yoga, you get 30 minutes that's completely dedicated to puppy playtime. In Boston, they have locations near South Station and Cambridge, and they're also in almost 40 cities around the US. Sessions are on Saturdays and Sundays, and the puppy breeds get announced the Tuesday before. Safe to say, I'll definitely be back for another one.